Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. I think that you are continuing to threat to the public, even while being in jail.
I
don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
Judge Fleser is dealing with a 19 old guy who's already facing assault charges. But instead of staying quiet in jail, this kid thought it was smart to threaten the very witnesses in his case. On top of that, he complains about not having his phone or TV like he's the victim here. In Judge Fleser's courtroom though, this kind of behavior is not tolerated at all.
Come on, it's time to go play Fortnite. Let's go. Come on. Huh? Fortnite? Come on, man. I'm itching to go play.
Judge.
Whatever happened with Mr. Wiggins?
Mr. Wiggins has some bond conditions to not speak to a complaining witness in an ag assault with a deadly weapon and an ag assault family member. He then went to jail and called her twice and her mom.
I mean, what more can we do? Really?
Take the phone away.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point. We'll do it now.
He also called not only under his own name, but he also called under 3 other inmates' names.
Good morning, Mr. Wiggins.
What?
How's jail?
Cool.
It's come to my attention that you are violating the conditions that we set out in this court, flaunting it, and trying to get a hold of the complaining witnesses in these cases where we've told you not to. Go ahead.
Yes, Judge. The deputy called me this morning and said that the defendant has called the complaining witness twice and the mother of the complaining witness as well. The deputy told me that while listening to these phone calls, he heard the defendant say things such as, "This is how you take care of things," and that everybody violates their bond conditions and talks to the complainants in these cases. He also heard the defendant make statements saying that he was going to continue to violate bond, and once he gets out, he was going to hire an attorney, but he had previously learned that the defendant was indigent, and so he took this to mean that the defendant was going to commit other criminal acts to get money to hire an attorney.
Honestly, it blows my mind. This guy is not only threatening people but also openly talking about doing future crimes. Like, how careless can you be? He's basically digging his own grave. I'm super curious to see how the judge responds once the prosecutor lays everything out. What do you guys think should happen? Should he just lose his phone, or does he deserve something way stricter?
Can you please notify the other courts as well that are so that they know as well?
Yes, Judge. I just sent a full email to the felony prosecutor in case the deputy hadn't already alerted her. I just went ahead and did it. The deputy, again, is getting the transcripts for these calls, and that the defendant has been using 3 separate inmates' spin codes. That would be Jermaine Brown, Mark Diaz, and Dennis Compton.
Your privileges are hereby revoked. You are not allowed to use a jail phone at all from now on. Do you understand? I think that you are continuing to threat to the public even while being in jail. So your privileges to use the phones at all are hereby revoked.
Judge, I just, again.
She just told you.
Not even.
Please stop.
So
and I just want to reiterate.
Please go ahead.
He's 19. You are taking away his ability to communicate with his family.
But he's making additional threats allegedly, you know? Okay, we're going to get the records, but until I know that you're not a threat, I mean.
He's typing everything.
Every single thing that you say on the phone is recorded.
I know that, so why would I be on it threatening people?
We'll find out. Because I'm going to ask, could you mind please pulling all the records, getting all the phone calls, and we'll play them out here in court, and we'll see. And if it's not, then I will gladly give you your phone privileges back. But there have deputies that have pinpointed you allegedly you and using other people's spin numbers to make phone calls, to make continuing threats, and to further criminality if and when you get out.
I almost feel sorry for his lawyer here. You can clearly see she's struggling because there's really no defense for this kind of behavior. All she can say is, well, he's only 19 and wants to talk to his family. But come on, at 19, you're old enough to know better. Especially when you're mixed up with gangs and already have assault charges. That excuse just doesn't hold up in court. Do you think the judge should show mercy or go hard on him?
What?
Well, I don't want you to say anything. That's okay. We're going to find out because I'm going to have them pull all the records, pull all the phone calls, and we'll listen to everything.
Judge, I will also say that the defendant told the complaining witness, this is about the ag assault involving the firearm, that when she got shot, the defendant said that's what happens when you hang out with gangsters.
So pull all that stuff, and all that stuff gets. So we need to figure out how, because it's a first for me as far as doing a revocation of privileges like that. As far as revoking phone privileges for inmates,
As far as I know, it has to be through the court order.
okay. I need to do whatever I can because it's apparently a problem now. So, I guess I'll reach out to administration as well to figure out how, because it's a first for me.
Judge, just so we're all on the same page, Mr. Wiggins is obviously going back to the jail now. Even before that order is in place, you are instructing him now not to use the phone. So,
Oh.
So I did do that's so stupid.
well, we'll get the tapes and
Get it? We'll
Okay,
see.
look, okay, but I can't call nobody. Literally nobody. So what? There's no TV in my tank. There's no nothing. What am I supposed to do?
It's jail.
What's the point?
Read a book.
There is no books. I read every book in there.
Now here's the big question. Was Judge Fleser too soft in this case? Or was there nothing else to do? Sure, taking away his phone might start him from threatening people for a while. But does it really fix the bigger problem? From what we see, this guy just keeps making bad choices. And the truth is, the law doesn't go easy on people who try to scare witnesses. That's a serious crime and can add even more years to his sentence. At this rate, it looks like he's setting himself up for a very long time in prison. Do you think he can still turn his life around, or is he too far gone already? Let me know in the comments what you'd have done if you were the judge. Judge Fleser is dealing with a 19-year old guy who's already facing assault charges. But instead of staying quiet in jail, this kid thought it was smart to threaten the very witnesses in his case. On top of that, he complains about not having his phone or TV like he's the victim here. In Judge Fleser's courtroom though, this kind of behavior is not tolerated at all.